buy it when it's cheap, hold it, and sell it when it's in high demand. This applies to everything in life, from currency to oil to gold to crypto to luxury cars and art. Over the past 15 years, the price of gold has increased by 278%. This might come as a shock to most of you, but we love art as an alternative asset class. Very few people know this, but art has been outperforming the S&P for the past 20 years. This is one of the big reasons why you see wealthy people dropping stupid amounts of money on art, because it's making them even richer. The same goes with vintage cars. While your car is costing you money, some of the wealthiest people in the world are buying rare vintage cars that are quickly appreciating in value. The same goes for other collectibles like luxury watches. Now, before you go and blow all of your money on a vintage Rolex because you read some post